In this exercise, we're going to draw a cabinet oblique pictorial of the object shown. So the first thing we want to do is draw our defining box. I'm going to make each one of these squares 1/4 inch. So let's start by drawing the defining box. So that's 1, 2, over, 1 3/4 up. Remember, the face that's you're looking straight on with is full size. Now everything that goes off at an angle is half size. That's the definition of a cabinet oblique. So 1, 2, 3 1/4. So that's half size. Alright, so we have our defining box. Now we're looking at the object pretty much that way. We have the middle part, that middle angle or point, so we can darken that in right away. We know that that's going to be there. And let's focus on getting this surface, because that surface is on the side of this box. You want to start with objects that are either on or parallel with the box. So we go up 1/2, so that would be here, and then we go in or from the back, it doesn't matter, we can subtract. So 3 1/4 and 2 1/2, that would be 3/4. So 3/4 would be right here, and we go up. So that's where that surface of the object is. Alright, then we can get the rest of the characteristics. So it goes in 1/2, right there, and up, and then over 1 inch, so right here. Alright, so it's starting to take shape. We can darken these in. We don't know how long this line is yet, so we'll leave that as being light. Alright, so the angle goes from here to here, so this angle right here. So we get that in there, and then everything else is parallel to it, so this angle, so that angle, those are all parallel. So we can go ahead and darken that in now. Alright, so we have basically one side of the object. Now we need to do the same kind of procedure over on the other side. So I'll kind of put in hidden lines the back of the box. Alright, so let's do this surface but over on that side. So up 1/2. And in by 3/4. Alright, so that's, we have that edge, we have the angle. Now everything else needs to be at that angle. There we go. We can darken that in. This would come down. And there you go. So if you watched the isometric video, you can see that this object kind of lends itself to an oblique. It looks better. You can see more of the front face. And in the isometric, it was a little crowded. And of course you want to erase your construction lines so that you can see the object more clearly. Alright, so that's our oblique cabinet pictorial.